OnePlus 12 just launched yesterday. Fast refresh rate 2K OLED display, flagship processor, outstanding camera setup, huge battery, fast charging and many more. Today I'm gonna show in-depth review of the OnePlus 12. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Judging by the design, many people perceive the OnePlus 12 to be quite similar to the OnePlus 11. Here you can see the OnePlus 11 and this case belong to the OnePlus 12. In the OnePlus 12, the camera module is significantly larger, distinct from its predecessor. So on the left side, it's a OnePlus 11 and on the right is the OnePlus 12. Despite the visual similarities in the design, the OnePlus 12 stand out with its advanced camera module and added texture on the back. It not only appears more robust when compared to the OnePlus 11 but also exudes a more premium feel. Now let's dive into the detailed review of the OnePlus 12. Starting with its design, the device features the signature green color of the OnePlus 12, giving it a distinct and recognizable appearance. This time around, the green color sports a different pattern compared to its glossy finish of the previous generation. The textures are notably improved, giving off a matte finish appearance. Despite its belonging a glass back, the touch sensation is a wood-like feel, although it's achieved through an edgy frosting process. This back panel showcases the faded texture, a design element that extended to the camera module, all crafted from the glass. This intricate pattern and textured combination makes the phone's design remarkably eye-catching. The camera design might strike a resemblance to the OnePlus 11 at the first glance, but it's actually inspired by the high-end watch. Just observing the camera module give off a mechanical watch-like impression. The camera module is encased in the glass, featuring textured elements on the right side, although to the touch it's a smooth surface due to the glass covering. This layered approach is to create a distinct sense of depth. Additionally, the Hasselblad logo this time around is elegantly minimalistic, akin to the similar branding found in the Find N3. The flash has been positioned in the upper left corner in this time, contributing to the overall larger size of the camera module. The edge of the camera module resembles the stainless steel and you can spot a fingerprint-like marking in this area. Additionally, the OnePlus 12 retains the 3-stage switch. Overall, the design is stunning. Moving on to the display, this time it's notably improved. Firstly, the resolution of the display is now 2K, a significant enhancement from the before. The peak brightness level reaches up to 4500 nits, but in actual testing, it doesn't reach the level of brightness observed in the iPhone 15 Pro Max test. However, indoor, the OnePlus 12 display appears brighter, even though it doesn't hit the peak brightnesses. Outdoor, while there might be not strong sunlight, the screen visibility remains quite clear, which is a positive aspect, ensuring the phone can be easily used even in the sunlight. This time, OnePlus 12's display incorporates the Oppo's first generation display chip, which comes with the sunlight algorithm. This algorithm increases the brightness by 90%, adding better visibility in sunlight while also reducing the power consumption by 13%. Additionally, the display features medical grade eye protection, a trend likely to gain momentum in the future. Moreover, under the display ultra thin fingerprint sensor it's included, that's swiftly unlocking the phone. Now moving on to the camera. As you might already know, our channel is go-to for the earliest update on the latest technology. To be the first to witness this update and participate in the next giveaway, make sure to subscribe and join our tech team. Stay tuned for our upcoming unboxing of the Realme GT 5 Pro launching tomorrow. Now let's dive into the camera of the OnePlus 12, where we see significant improvement compared to the OnePlus 11. Certainly in response to the major complaint about the absence of the telephoto lens in the OnePlus 11, OnePlus 12 addresses this with the inclusion of the periscope telephoto lens featuring OV64B sensor equivalent to 70mm. This addition allows to widest range of close-up shots and you can check out our sample photos showcasing its capabilities. The primary camera boasts a 50 megapixel Sony LYT808 sensor with a size of 1 by 1.4 inch, offering a 25% larger photosensitive area. Additionally, it comes with a large f1.6 aperture, enhancing its low light performance and overall image capabilities. As As mentioned earlier, the 70mm lens contributes to a super portrait photo, evident in the background blur effect captured in these photos. The OnePlus 12 employs the large algorithm from the Find series, enhancing the overall quality of the photos. Now switching gear to the performance. The OnePlus 12 houses the recently launched Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. It achieves an Antutu score of up to 2.15 million, showcasing its robust performance. Furthermore, when stress tested using the 3D Mark, it maintains a stability level of 75%. In the gaming test conducted on the OnePlus 12, while playing Genshin Impact for 20 minutes, an average frame rate goes to 61.2 FPS was achieved, albeit with some minor fluctuations. However, the overall stability remained commendable without noticeable stuttering issue. The gaming experience on the device is outstanding. It's evident that the OnePlus 12 doesn't just excel in the display and camera improvement but also offers a super performance. Talking about the battery in the OnePlus 12, it's equipped with the 5400 mAh battery, which being slightly larger, promises extended battery life. After around 2 hours of medium to heavy use, the battery retained about 87%. Moreover, the phone supports 100-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging. As for the pricing in China, the base variant starts around 4,299 Chinese yuan, roughly translating to around £481 in the UK and $606 US. In conclusion, the OnePlus 12 brings a numerous improvement, with the standout being the significant enhancement in the camera department, delivering excellent result. Additionally, the display is exceptional and the performance remains consistently impressive. Now, the next point of the interest will be the launch price in the UK, which will determine its competitive positioning in the market. So what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling.